It is a quarter till 7 now, happening today. The 37th Indiana Black and Minority Health Fair kicks off at the Indiana Convention Center. It runs today through Sunday. The theme of this year's fair is healthful living. And this morning, I am joined by one of the event speakers. Dr. Tranya Hawkins is an OBGYN with Ascension St. Vincent. Thank you so much for your time waking up early for us today. We appreciate it. A major topic here that is really hard for women. We're talking maternal health, of course. This morning, breastfeeding in the community. You're obviously passionate about this subject. What are you trying to educate women about?
Kylie, excellent questions. I think the biggest thing that we want women to know, number one, breastfeeding is safe. It's the best way to give your baby the nourishment that it needs. Number two, you can do it. A lot of women have anxiety about it. They worry about it, but there's support out there, and we want to really bring that to light.
When should women seek maternal care once they realize that they're pregnant or possibly could be pregnant?
That's one of the questions my patients ask me all the time, because the minute they get a positive pregnancy test, they're calling the office immediately. We really want you seeking care even before you're thinking about getting pregnant. We want to help your body get in the best shape it can be in to get pregnant. And then obviously we expect you to be seen in the first trimester. So that's any time before 14 weeks.
And this is a minority health care event. What are you trying to present specifically to that minority audience?
I want my patients to know that your care is important. As we know, the maternal mortality rates or the death rates in Indiana for black women are 2 to 3 times higher. And that has a lot to do with the care that you receive before, during, and after your delivery.
You know, one of the big topics in the news in recent years is healthcare inequities. What are you seeing as far as these inequities, specifically in maternal health, and how do we fix this problem?
Kylie, do you have like an hour or two?
Yeah, right.
Because I feel like I could, tackle
or
some
days.
of that. Yes. There's so many things that we're looking at. Several of the healthcare systems here in the state have done a great job of targeting and focusing on certain groups of patients. We definitely want our African American and our black and brown patients to know that we are looking at you. We care about the rates of things that are happening in your community. But you also have to help us by taking a strong stance on how you care for yourself.
And maybe somebody who's watching right now on the fence about coming to this health summit, what's your message to them?
I want to tell you guys this is going to be a great opportunity to learn. You're going to find out so much information, not only about breastfeeding, but about maternal health, all of it. And so please come out, come hear me ramble and talk. There's going to be a great panel of people, and we'd love to have you guys.
It's obvious that you're a speaker and would be great for public speaking because you're succinct and clear in your answers, which is huge when you're relaying such an important message. We so appreciate you being here this morning. I know that you're going to be speaking at 2:45. Is that your slotted time?
They actually had a big reboot because they got the rooms all mixed up.
Okay.
So I'm at 4:15.
Okay.
And if patients want to come out, like I said, anyone that has questions or just curious, please come out.
All right. Doctor, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it. Such an important topic. Dr. Tranya Hawkins with Ascension talking about breastfeeding. Again, don't miss it.